Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you one of the most common mistake people make when using a stochastic. So if you are using stochastic or you're planning to use this indicator in your trading journey, watch this video until the end because I'm going to show you which mistake you must avoid at all cost if you want to make money on the forex market. For starting, subscribe to my channel, push the notification button, and don't forget to visit my website www.forexexpert.net. You will find more than 130 articles about forex trading, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, trading psychology, forex softwares, review, and much more. So, I'm not a big fan of indicators, especially stochastic or other indicators. I usually use MACD, but I'm gonna make a video about that. I'm not a fan because people think that indicators are a magic tool, a magic money making tool. So if the indicator tells you to buy, you have to buy, or tells you to sell, you must sell, and you're gonna make money 100% of the time. Of course, it doesn't work like this. For me and for other traders, the king is price action. So before taking a decision according to your strategies, you must look at the price action and then take your decision based upon price action, because price action tells you about the current situation of the market and what investors are doing in the right moment or have done in the past. So for me, the indicator is just a useful tool to confirm my final decision. By the way, the most common mistake made by beginners and people that don't really know about indicators and trading is this. Okay, let's suppose you are a stochastic person and you are using this indicator in your trading strategies. We are here on the Euro USD daily chart. So what I see is that when the indicator is in overbought or oversold, so overbought over 80 or oversold below 20, people are gonna sell. Like in this case, they see this, they see that the stochastic is in overbought. They are gonna sell because they think that the price will go down, or if it's in oversold, they're gonna buy because the price will go up. So as you can see, it's not always true, and you shouldn't open, for example, a short position in this situation, because just because the stochastic is overbought, and this means that the price is going down. So it doesn't work like this, because as you can see here from the price action, we got a nice bullish impulse, and then we got a lateralization moment, and the indicator in the stochastic is giving us a overbought. It doesn't mean that it's going down. Maybe it's just retracing. Okay, in fact, we had a retracement here, and then the price continued to go up. It continued to go up again. We got the indicator, the stochastic, showing us the overbought situation, and people are going to sell. Nobody knows. As you can see, the price continued to go up. Okay, after maybe a bigger retracement here than the previous one. In fact, the price is retesting another price structure. As you can see, let me change it. And then now it's continued to grow. If you want to make money on the forex market, you shouldn't trade like this. Okay, watch the price action, determine the trend. Okay, now we are in a uptrend on the Euro USD in this chart. As you can see, and a counter trending is dangerous for your account, even if you are a ultra trained trader. Okay? Let me find another example with a buy position. Okay. Okay. The price is just below the 200 EMA, and Stochastic is giving us an oversold indication, so people are going to buy, but the price continued to go down because the main trend is downtrend. So you must avoid this mistake at all costs, because you are going to lose money. Instead, you can use this indicator to trade with Fibonacci. Okay, but you have to test the strategy to see if it's working or not. I'm going to show you. Okay, let's suppose you find this nice retracement, and the price is stalling between the 0.236 and the 0.382. Then you will wait for confirmation by the stochastic for a buy trade. Okay, as you can see here, we got a buy signal here, another buy signal here to enter long and go up. Okay, so this is a wise way to use stochastic. If you are gonna buy or sell just because the stochastic is an overbought or oversold zone, you're gonna lose money in the long run. Maybe you're gonna be lucky sometimes and make money, and you will believe that this strategy is working, but honestly, if you want to trade seriously, you must check the price action, and the other tools are just confirming what price is doing. Okay, so for today is everything. Let me know what you think about this topic, if you are using stochastic or other indicators. If you want to leave a comment, feel free to do it. Subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. Bye bye.